Hello, welcome to Group 16's Materials Matter presentation on plastic recycling. In this video, we will be discussing an alarming issue, the Great Pacific Garbage Patch, followed by a case study on China's situation, the recycling in Singapore, and lastly, waste management proposals. So what is the Great Pacific Garbage Patch? The Great Pacific Garbage Patch comprises two garbage patches, the Western Garbage Patch located near Japan and the Eastern Garbage Patch near the USA, linked by the North Pacific Subtropical Convergence Zone. It contains large surface-level plastic debris, broken down microplastics, and miscellaneous trash such as fishing equipment. To put it into perspective, here are pictures of the many results of the Great Pacific Garbage Patch. Efforts to clean up the Great Pacific Garbage Patch are largely led by nonprofits, such as the Netherlands-based Ocean Cleanup. They estimate that it will take as little as 5 years to clean up the patch, with an estimated cost of $4 billion. Now we move on to the situation in China. China's approach to plastic recycling involves two key systems: Renewable Resources Recovery System, RRR. This system consists of large-scale enterprises that sort garbage and extract the most valuable pieces for recycling. Municipal Solid Waste System. This is a government-funded, centralized processing system that sorts the waste left over by the RRR system. In 2019, China generated 63 million tons of waste plastics, of which only 21 million tons was recycled. The recycling of these plastics generated a total value of 100 billion yuan in 2019, up from 81 billion yuan in 2015. Let's take a look at the recycling situation in Singapore. In Singapore, collection methods for recycling include centralized. Neighborhood recycling bins are set up and regularly cleared by the National Environment Agency. Individual rag and bone men, known as karang-guni, collect and sort recyclables to sell for profit. The recycling process consists of 3 key steps. Collection. Recyclables are collected and brought to processing centers. Sorting. Plastics are manually sorted and baled. Only certain types of plastics are deemed fit for recycling. Disposal. The majority of plastic recyclables are exported, as Singapore has inadequate facilities for processing them locally. Several challenges affect the recycling process. There is a lack of a clear identification system for different plastic types, resulting in inefficiencies during manual sorting. Many countries are restricting their imports of waste products, and Singapore faces challenges due to inadequate recycling facilities. Recycled plastic resin is often more expensive than virgin resin and contains higher levels of chemicals due to the disinfection process. To address the challenges of plastic recycling, several innovative solutions are being explored. The most direct way to reduce waste is by reducing plastic consumption. Proper labeling of plastic types could help reduce the amount of recyclable plastic being wasted. Innovations in plastic degrading bacteria offer potential alternatives to incineration and landfill disposal. Exploring deeper into the solutions, Singapore's plastic use is 0.19 kilograms per capita daily compared to Canada's usage of 0.09 kilograms. Solutions include encouraging reusable bags and adopting eco-friendly materials for single-use items. More on sorting efficiency, according to NEA, Singapore's plastics recycling rate is just 5%, while Germany's exceeds 70%. Improved labeling and innovative solutions like using dyes could streamline plastic sorting and increase recycling rates. And adding on to alternative disposal methods, Japanese researcher Shosuke Yoshida identified Ideonella sakaiensis, a bacteria that degrades PET plastic into safe monomers. In contrast, incineration still requires landfill space for ash disposal. We would like to end off with a quote by Marco Lambertini. Not only are plastics polluting our oceans and waterways and killing marine life, it's in all of us and we can't escape consuming plastics. Global action is urgent and essential to tackling this crisis. Thank you for watching!